Hi, welcome to our channel. In this video I'll show you how to install Family Link, how to set up parental control on your child's Honor 50 Lite. So first you need to log out of all Google accounts on the child's device, and after that log in into the child's Google account. To do this, open Settings, Accounts, and Account, press Google, enter child's email, One thing you need to know that if the child know the password from his own account, he will be able to bypass the blocking of Google Family Link. So therefore you need to create an account for the child with the password that only you will know, or ask the child to change the password to one that he will not know. So enter the child's password, and click Next. Click I agree. Scroll down, click Accept. Cool. Now go back and choose Google here. Scroll down, choose Parental Controls, get started, child or teenager, next, next. Select child's Google account, and now you need to log in into your Google account, into parent's Google account. So enter your email, and enter a password. Now click Next. Scroll down and confirm child's password. Click Agree. Scroll down and click Activate. Cool, click Next. Scroll down, click Next again. Scroll down, click Next again, skip, skip. Cool, now go back to home screen. And now install the Google Family Link application on your device. To do this, open Play Store and find here Family Link application. Open it and install. Click Open. Go down, go down, go down, go down, and choose Get Started. Choose your account you just recently added. And cool, as you can see, we have fully control of the child's device. We can block it, we can disable it, we can block separate applications on child's device. To do it, click View All Apps, and here choose application to block. For example, I want to block booking.com. Press the sandwich, click block, wait a while, and cool, as you can see, booking Gmail.com was successfully blocked on child's device. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.